people say like you need to have this much of GRE score, this much of IELTS in order to get into good universities, this much of GPA. So a few were they're true, but not everything. So most of the colleges, we just have a lot of theoretical experience than practical experience. We do some mini projects, but working in a real-time project in the industry, in the companies for the client, so it matters a lot. I would say for me, it is very helpful. So I never had that much exposure in my degree. So we just used to pass exams and keep on going. This system, so it's going to be tough for you. So you're going to have a lot of assignments and we do mini projects over there, right? So each mini project over there will be a single one assignment over here. So in order to match that, so in order to pace it with this system, so it's good to have experience. Thinking of whether I should go for spring 2023 or next coming fall. So yes, I thought that's a lot of time. So I'd say time is precious. So I thought no need to. I already have thought in my mind, so I no need to wait for 8 more months in order to do it. So I already have close to 4 to 15 months of experience. So I know I'm not going to learn anything more on this in the 6 months with this current company. So I thought it's good to go with the spring. So yeah. Yeah. There are a lot. So when you're starting up stuff, people used to people say you need to have this much of GRE score, this much of IELTS in order to get into good universities, this much of GPA. So a few were they're true, but not everything. So I have my everything was said for me, but the one concern I used to have was my IELTS score. I just have 6.5 of total. So that was my concern. So I just thinking, so whether I need to redo it once again for 7. So people just say when you have 7, you can go apply for all the universities. So, but I would say IELTS, it's just an English language requirement. So once you just made the requirement, you just pass. That's all. There's no more weightage to it, I would say. So yeah, it doesn't. That is one concern I used to have, but yeah, it didn't affect me in any way. So. Getting the visa itself, I would feel the stress, the amount of stress which you feel while you're going for an interview or preparing for a visa interview is a bit more challenging compared to all of the tasks, I would say. So once you got the visa, so you feel so relaxed. So I have one more friend with me, so we both are going to calculate language. So what we have done, so we have gathered the questionnaire, so we have prepared our own answers. So the answers should not be the general answers, generic answers. So it has to be specific. So I went through the curriculum properly, and we have prepared the answers thoroughly. So and we prepared it, and we had some mock interviews as part of Yocket. So we had some mock interviews, and 3 or 4. So yeah, with our counselors and someone. So yeah, it's good to have mock interviews. When you have mock interviews, you'll get used to the system, used to the interview, how it goes. And so when you have a lot of mock interviews, so it's going to be easy for you. So I've taken Yocket Premium for my study abroad journey. So I've taken Yocket Premium, so they have helped me a lot in this entire journey. So right from the documentation of SOPs and LBORs and shortlisting of the universities and visa preparation and mocks. So I would say I recommend Yocket to everybody, the upcoming aspirants and students and working professionals. So yeah. To all the students and working professionals who are going to start for the coming fall or coming spring. So I would say starting early is the key, actually. So when you start early, so everything comes into place. So if you meet the priority deadlines, you have a chance to get a scholarship and assistantships and some kind of thing like that. So it's good. So if you have done everything on your own, right? So you know what to be. Even sometimes you might expect some unexpected questions, right? So then you have to tackle them, and you're good to go. Confidence is a key, and try to take as many mocks as possible. Right.
Check out Yocket Connect to connect with 7 lakh plus students like these.